In today's video, I'm going to be making a scratch zombie shooter, and it's going to be easy. And the first step you're gonna do is going to Google Chrome and then type in Scratch add-ons. Here I got the Scratch add-ons, but no need for it. Okay, let's start. So here, first we got a new sprite, which is already created. It's kind of ugly, so not just a scratch cat, so let's delete this costume right up. And we're going to be a character. We're going to be doing a character like here. It has to be there. Lower this, make it high, this one, and make it fill just like this one, but just not exactly like this one. So now you can add a sprite, a ball with shift and with the mouse left click, it will make a new ball or a circle, I don't know. So here, let's go to, from the options, we're going to go click online. Here, from its side, we put it like this, one arm, two arms. Gonna make some space for the gun. Here, let's make gun, select the square option, and do it here, do it like this, and from here, the saturation should be 0, and the brightness should be like 90, alright? Or whatever you want. I'm gonna put the gun with the color gray. Yeah, I think that's cool. Let's just shape it the way that it shapes. Okay. Got it. So now we have a player which can't move around. What code should we use? Here, let's go to code. If you want to change the costumes, go to costumes up here. Under the file, click costumes. Now I'm gonna go to code beside the costumes. Let's go to events. Bring a one green flag is clicked. Drag it. Keep clicking on it. Keep clicking on it in the script until when you reach the script area. So remove your finger from the left click. There we go. We'll put a block here. We'll bring the forever loop, drag it to the script area, and yeah. But now we're gonna use a special block. Let's go to the motion real quick. And here it's point towards mouse pointer, where it can point towards mouse pointer. Here, let's put it there, right? And now if we check it, it points to my mouse. We got the player to look for the mouse. Here, let's stop it real quick. This one, that's called stop. And now, let's go and bring an if statement. So here, an if statement is called, somebody calls it if then statement, and I call it if statement. Let's bring the if statement to here, and then we can go to sensing and see this key space pressed. You drag it to here, like here, you see it? Drag it to here. you have if key space pressed, then. But now let's click on the space, change it to right arrow. Now we can duplicate it. Let's just do copies of it. I'm gonna do this real quick. Yoink. And yeah. So I'm gonna be thinking 2 more of these. Yeah. Okay. Put this there, put that there. Here, the last one is here. So, let's change those. This one should be up arrow and this one should be left arrow. This one should be down arrow. And we need to put the movement. We can't just put it like this. It can't move. So let's go to motion. And here, down the point towards mouse pointer, you can see change X by 10. Drag it to the right arrow. The right key, sorry. So, on hand, like remove your finger from the mouse and put this one, click on this tab, click on 5. Well, now we got if right arrow key right arrow pressed, change X by 5. So, let's duplicate this a few times. Let's just bring this one. And here we're not gonna be using the X for here. It's a different block now. We'll just change it to -5. So here is a different block. Let's bring the Y, change Y by 10 block. Not change X by 10, no. X, that means it goes left and right. But Y, that means it will go up and down. Here, let's make the Y to 5. And real quick, just bring this one to here and put it -5. Here, we finished the code. If we go now, there's one thing that we need to put. Now, put the go to X 0, Y 0, 0. Okay, let's go to here. And real quick, it moves. So we can't shoot. I'm clicking the left click now. It can't shoot. But if we click the green flag again, it will return to its previous place, alright? So here we want to make a bullet pop out of this player. So let's paint one and let's bring a rectangle. It's called a square. It's called a rectangle, but I call it square. So let's change the color to any color that you want. Any color. I'm just using my color. It's good. So now we got our color. We got our outline. So let's go deep. Like click this one and you will zoom in. Let's make one big rectangle. Not big, but small. I don't like that color, so I will change it. Yoink. Yeah, much better. We got our bullet. We finished off this one from this one. Now, let's do this. It's gonna be a little tricky, but no problem. I'm gonna tell it to you. Bring the one green flags click to the script area. Drag and drop it. So here, in looks, down the motion, click on it. Here we got say hello for 2 seconds, say hello, think for 2 seconds, think switch costume 1, next costume, switch to backdrop 1, next backdrop, change size by 10, set size to 100, change color effect by 25, set color effect to 0, clear graphic effects, show and have fun. That's what I'm about to talk about. So bring the hide block and stick it to the one green flag is clicked. That means when you click it, it will be hidden. You can change this also from here. You can show it, but it's still hidden. Because you put it, the one green flag is clicked high. Let me zoom in for you. Yeah. So now this can be a little tricky. It's gonna get a little tricky. Here, if you scroll down to the control, and you see a block that's called when I started a clone. That means what is a clone? A clone is somebody just like me, exactly like me. So when I started as a clone, drag it to here. Bring the shoe block and drag it to stick it with the when I start as a clone block. So here, go to control and bring repeat until. Now let's go to the motion and bring point towards mouse pointer. No. Point in direction 90. It's not the block that's point towards mouse pointer. So this is not it, but not pointed direction 90, no. Good sensing, you see this block, drag it and stick it to here. Change the stage to sprite 1 or any. My sprite is called sprite 1. So point in direction of sprite 1. So that's going to be a little tricky for you to understand the move. Repeat until, point towards, okay, no, point towards sprite 1, right? So repeat until touching edge. It's gonna be this one, touching mouse pointer, no. Edge, touching edge. Move 10 steps, right? So at the end of here, we put delete this clone. That means it removes this guy, which is exactly like me, and it's called a clone. So remove this clone. Here, we almost finished, but we need to put something in the sprite 1, or the plate, or sprite, I don't know. Here, let's go to events, drag a one green flag is clicked, bring a forever loop, stick it with the if state, with the one green flag clicked, bring the if statement, stick it with the forever loop, and now, if mouse down, so this is mouse down, that means if you click your left button, something happens. So bring mouse down to here, stick it here, and now let's bring something that's called create a clone, create a clone of myself, no, create a clone of bullet, so this is sprite 2 it's called. Save and try it. Click the mouse down and moving, yoink. But it points in that direction. So we need to put it the same code, but bring go to. I forgot that block. That. And delete block this one. Right. Go to sprite 1. Alright, we finished the code here. you can see it will shoot bullets out of its gun. So look at this. We successfully finished, but if you want to change this one, this 100 thing, no problem. Just go to this code and go to control. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Bring it under the create clone spike or whatever. So wait 0.3 seconds. And now if you try it, it's normally good. Alright, if you want, like, we finished the code. It's not a zombie shooter, but it's a shooter. It's basic. And yeah, we successfully finished. Goodbye. Peace out.